Hello everyone, my name is Get Level and you are watching my tech channel. Today we have something pretty interesting, pretty expensive really. This is a pair of Philips Hue light bulbs with like an extra little thing. I think it's a switch. I'm not sure. This is interesting because this was sent to me by a company called Lumia Stream. It is for a collaboration that we're doing on my main channel. Basically, I'm supposed to use those to show their service, which is something that has to do with controlling the lights, the colors, so that they match your live stream. You can pair them with alerts, and you can also make your Twitch chat can control your colors basically. But anyways, this is the tech channel, so we're gonna be unboxing those and setting them up and testing them. Right now, I think the price is around 80 euros. I think it cost. It came from the UK. This is why this is a little banged up. And that's about $100, I'm guessing. And I've never bought any Philips Hue light bulb before. I usually run with, I don't know where I put it. I usually run with very, very cheap smart lights, which is what I have up top in my main room and stuff like that. Let's just unbox it. Let's just unbox it, okay? Let's do it. All right, here, so we have this there. So the cool thing with those is that, of course, they're compatible with all your home automation devices, such as the Apple, the Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Amazon Echo, which is what I have. So this will be fine. I am guessing it will probably be just as simple as setting up any other smart light system, which I've already done in the past. Ooh, there are the light. Oh, they're actually tiny. Okay, I didn't realize they were that tiny. Okay, did not expect that at all. I thought they were gonna be regular size bulbs, especially for that price. And okay, here, this is important for you to see this. Nothing left in there. So this is the extra stuff that we have here. So I'm guessing this is some sort of Nest system. Yeah. There's a system here where you can plug in your Ethernet cable. Oh, sorry about that. There's the plugs for it. There's a converter. Okay, that's pretty nice. There's even an Ethernet cable. Okay, that's pretty sweet. Doesn't justify the price, but I'm actually not sure what this does. So we're gonna read about it. There's the DC here. Okay, you have your internet input here. And basically, I'm guessing this is like the hub. Basically, if I want to connect any other additional things, I will probably be able to connect it here. And there's a button there to turn it on. I'm guessing, oh, maybe there's different controls. We'll figure that out as we read through the manual. Let me pull out the bulb so you can really see the shape. Okay, so this is the shape of the light bulb. Actually smaller than regular light bulb. I'm gonna try to show you another light bulb, a regular light bulb, so you can see the comparison really. Hue, white, and color. So those are, I'm guessing, that's one way of saying WRGB. So there's white and then there's RGB, which will give you a better color accuracy usually. Okay, so this is a normal light bulb, as in like normal shape light bulb, and this is the Philips Hue. So you can really tell the difference here. They are not the same size. The diffusion part, because we all know those are LEDs, so the LED part is super tiny in there, but this has like the round diffuser. And this just has one more. That feels like a little thicker plastic covering here, but that was the comparison. So you have an idea of what size it is. All right, it's manual reading time. So we have this manual, we have this manual, plus we have this thingy here, which doesn't tell us anything. Okay, personal wireless lighting. Let's open the tiny one. Step 1, power your light sources and turn on your wall light switches. Plug the Hue bridge and connect to your Wi-Fi router. Download the Hue app and follow the instructions. Does it not work without the bridge? This is called the bridge apparently. I don't even think I have a spot for this bridge. Well, let me set it up. We're gonna set up one of them right now just to see. Set a tripod here. Okay, so that's where it's gonna be clear if it's working. Okay, so this is what we get right off the bat. Yeah, it feels like one of those 6 or 7 watt LED light bulbs. I haven't even checked how many watts this was. It's 9.5 watts. Okay, that's interesting. All right, I'm gonna go connect the hub. So I'm just gonna connect the DC input here, and then I will connect something going from my router to this internet port right there. Let's get it done. All right, so the bridge is plugged in. Now let's download the app. as instructed. Something that the cheap light bulbs do is usually give you a QR code so that you can download the app, but Philips is just like, download the app. They don't even tell you exactly download the Hue app and follow the instructions. That's all they say. So let's check the App Store and let's type Hue. And when I type Hue, and when I just type Hue, I see Crunchyroll, I see Calm, and then I see Philips Hue, and I see Philips Hue Bluetooth, and I see Hue Essentials, and Philips Hue Sync. I'm gonna guess it's Philips Hue. I'm just making sure there's no QR code anywhere. There is a website though, meethue/get started. That apparently will probably link us to all of that. With a little QR code, just send us to the App Store immediately, or to that website. Or maybe I'm an idiot and there's some issues with QR codes that I'm not aware of, and that's why big companies don't use them, but it's so convenient when I buy the cheap ones. Okay, so opening this. Searching for Hue bridges. Okay, so it really doesn't work without a bridge. No Hue bridge, are you serious? Get started by powering your Hue bridge and hooking up to your Wi-Fi router via the included cable. If this service is on the same Wi-Fi, we'll find the bridge. You didn't find it. Search again. Searching. All right, let's find out what we're doing wrong. So far, this is not working as smoothly as the cheap ones. And I don't like that. I didn't pay for it, but I don't like that. Never mind. I just realized I wasn't on Wi-Fi on my phone. So let me do that real quick. Okay, now we're on Wi-Fi. Let's press it, see what's up. Hey, there you go. And it's immediately downloading an update. I'm gonna go make some coffee in the meantime. Okay, it's done updating, and now I have to install the updates. Come on now. Look at that. Install. It restarted the app. What is going on? Phone? Is it restarting my whole phone? Come on, James Brown. Take it to the bridge. There you go. And then you just set it up. There's no... Okay, my phone has been updated. Cool. Then I'm going to click on setup. Press the push link button on the Hue bridge you want to connect to. Crap. Make me work out now. Never mind. There is an update for the app. What is going on? I don't even know if the Hue made me update my phone. I'm not sure. But anyways, now it's downloading the update, as you can see. Now it's installing the update. When installing, your system may become irresponsive. Oh my God. The cheap ones, the very cheap ones, it takes 3 minutes tops if you have to install the app. It takes 3 minutes. You do a little thing with the switch, the light flickers, you connect it with your phone on the app, and then you're done. And sometimes your Amazon Echo will automatically detect them, so you don't even need to proceed with that installation if it's already done through the app. It probably won't feel like it, but I've been recording for about 29 minutes now. So this whole installation has stayed like these. Oh, wow. That being said, I'm sure it's Philips Hue, so you probably get better customer service. I'm definitely not, telling you not to buy them. For the price, this is what you get. Probably high quality, will probably last longer. You will probably get more updates when it comes to the app. The app probably has more ease of use. I'm not sure yet because it's updating right now. The bridge definitely will allow you to add more stuff, and you should know the difference between cheap ones and expensive ones, and like Philips Hue, right? But I gotta tell you, with that comes the disadvantage of, this installation is not going smoothly at all. I don't like that. Okay, finally, update is done. That took about 2 minutes. There you go, it says done there. I'm gonna tap on that. Okay, help us improve Philips Hue by I'm not gonna do that. Well, I guess I have to accept, I don't know. No rooms created, so right now it's gonna make me create a room. I'm gonna create a room. Okay, now it's giving me all the tips in order to know what I'm dealing with. So give your room a name, select the type of room, select which lights are in the room. Now there's something very weird. I tapped once and like the tips disappeared. Something very weird is happening here. There's already 2 lamps that are connected, meaning that I won't have to pair them. Is that what's going on here? That's interesting. That is one step that is different from the cheap ones. But anyways, I'm gonna call this one stream room, and I'm gonna tap OK. Saving could take a while. Oh, never mind, it created it. Okay. Stream room, 2 Hue lights. So it's already paired with both of them, even though that one is not connected yet. Interesting, very interesting. So now you have the room, and as you can see, I have 2 Hue lights in it. So I'm gonna tap this once. Congratulations, your Hue app is up and running. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Okay, there it is. I really like that setup here where I'm gonna just press. Okay, it has a pretty smooth fade. I like that. There you go. I'm gonna bring it a little closer so you can really see the effect, at least on my face. There you go. So tap once, close it, and then we turn it back on. Pretty nice. Now we can tap on it directly to get more options. As you can see here, we have all those options up top. We get color and a couple of like a list and all of that. So let's we have pre-made scenes, which are things that I rarely actually use, but this is a thing. And then we have color, the color wheel up top. So let's go for green. Let's tap green. Do I have to drag? I have to drag. Oh, so I have all of my, actually look, I have both lights there. That's interesting, but this one is not responding though. Oh, there we go. Okay, I had the wrong one. So when you select them up top, it actually shows you which one it is. You see that one? If I let go, stream room, and then if I press it, it tells you which lamp it is. Exactly. So, okay, this is interesting. We have all that, and it's responsive. It's in real time. I like that. Pretty cool. Pretty nice. Okay, cool. There's that little drop thing that says 0. I don't know what that is. I'm going to tap it. Oh, it's just white with different color temperatures. So we can go very white or very yellow, clean white, and then pretty much blue. Very cold white, basically, between warm and cold. Okay, cool. And let's test one of those pre-made scenes. Savannah Tropical Twister? Tropical TWI something. Spring Blossom. I don't know if those are specific colors or if they actually change color. Nightlight. Oh, wow. That is super dim. That is super dim. I don't even think my cheap ones can go that, like even at 1%. And then there's dimmed. There's bright. I'm guessing this is the full 9 volt, 9.5. It doesn't feel like 9.5, I'll admit. It feels like more like 7, but okay. Concentrate. That is bright. That is super. Look at that. That is super, super bright. Okay, cool. It's not giving me all the fancy options that I actually get with all the other, you know, if I want to do like a disco scene or something like that, if I want red to flash, all of that, I actually don't get those options with those lights, which is weird, or maybe I'm missing something. Light setup, accessory setup, routines. You can set up routines straight into the app without connecting it within Alexa. I guess I'll probably disconnect it. And then there's something called Explore at the bottom here. When you tap on it, you get Friends of Hue, apps we like, Hue Entertainment, Hue Labs. I'm guessing we get a bunch of different apps. If you have Razer products, they can sync to it. Like DJ, I'm guessing if you're DJing, it syncs with it. There's only 3 options with the entertainment stuff though, but maybe more. I tapped Hue Labs, and oh my god, it brought me to a whole website. Apparently this is where the community can create different stuff. Yeah, not a lot of options off the bat, to be really honest with you. You can configure. The cool thing is that it's pretty it's self-sufficient as an app. If you just have Hue and you want to go Hue without having, you know, Google Assistant and all that, it seems very complete in that matter, which with the routines and all of that. But I don't know, it's really missing the fancy part of it. I'm kind of I'm not disappointed, but I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. I'm not disappointed, but I fail to see the big difference. There's nothing that really stands out here, other than, of course, the quality. Probably the customer service is amazing. The warranty is probably amazing. There's nothing that jumps out of the app or the product itself, except, you know, it's quite brighter than the other ones. Ooh, that gets a little hot actually. The other one that I showed you was actually 25 bucks for the pair for 2 of them. And this is 100 bucks for the 2 of them, plus the bridge, granted. But still, apparently you need the bridge. That is confusing. That is confusing to me. I don't know what to say. I don't know. This was an unboxing of the Philips Hue, but if you haven't bought, if you're thinking of getting, you know, those kind of things and you don't have the budget, know that is absolutely possible to get way cheaper ones that just work with your phone. They're not as reliable probably, but there's a big leap and when it comes to the price range. You know what? Let me show you. Let me show you. Ah, it gets super hot, super fast. Never mind, actually, it's not even brighter. This is 9 watts. Oh, I just realized the pair for this was 22 euros. Oh my God, so much cheaper. They are also RGBW. So the white is supposed to be pretty faithful, although I don't really trust that. But anyways, I'm going to show you one of the apps that it's compatible with, knowing that it's compatible with so many apps, because it's, you know, like no name brand. It's Bellely, that's the name of this brand, but I'm using it with an app called Magic Home for now. Okay, and I call it Hairlight, and I'm gonna show you how, like, the option that I have. Of course, I have the wheel. I have the whites in the same wheel if I wanted to have cool white right there. Ooh, that's also bright, as you can see. So this is, we're talking about 11 euros here. And this is warm white by just tapping in the middle. And then of course we have the wheel. The RGBs don't seem to be as bright, or am I doing this wrong? It also updates in real time, although it's way slower. I feel like it's a little slower, yeah. And then if you really want to have, you know, color temperature here, we have another scene at the bottom. You can get to functions and look at all the options that you have when it comes to, you know, fancy scenes and stuff. Okay, so you have 7 colors fade, and then red gradient change, blue gradient, like so many. And then you go crossfade, you have strobe flash, you have flash, and then you have jumping change. Also, you can control the speed. I think that's important. I think that's pretty important, but the Hue app doesn't seem to have that. Or did I miss it? Maybe I'm an idiot. I just missed it, but it's interesting. It's very, very interesting. In this app, you can also make it react to music. Right here. You can also make it react to your mic. Test. 1, 2, 3. The light is reacting to my mic right now. And it's also changing colors. Wow. All right, this was my review. You tell me you tell me what you think of the Philips Hue. I didn't make this review to bash on it. It's, again, there's a difference between cheap and expensive, but in this case it's kind of hard to do things in favor of the Philips Hue, knowing that it will be more like, it will be compatible with everything. When you buy the Philips Hue, you're buying something that pretty much anything that has an interaction with smart things will have Philips, is their priority. Like the Elgato Stream Deck, for example, that has Philips Hue compatibility. Anything IFTTT that's gonna have Philips Hue compatibility for sure. Whereas the cheap ones, you're never sure which app they use exactly, and sometimes the app is so obscure that it just doesn't match whatever you're trying to do with it. So it's cool to buy those things and make sure that, you know, in the next 3 years, whatever you're gonna buy that's smart might be compatible with it. Just like kind of disappointed by their app and like the whole connectivity. I don't know. I don't know how to finish this. I thought I was gonna it was gonna be great, but it wasn't. If you want to know what I'm gonna do with those 2 lights, though, you can check out my main channel. That's twitch.tv. That's youtube.com/getlevelgaming. And yeah, I still don't have an outro for this channel. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.